Hey there, welcome to this quick demo of WA Filter, the Chrome extension that checks if a number is on WhatsApp or not. One of the best number checkers out there. Let's get started. To get started, Step 1. Download the Chrome extension. Head to Google and type filter and click on WA Filter website now. Here click on Try for free. Then a page gets redirected and you can click on Add to Chrome and click Add extension. Now go to Extensions, which is like a puzzle icon on top right. Pin the extension for easy access. Once installed, click on the extension and let WhatsApp reload by toggling it. Step 2. You can upload contacts in two ways, which will be explained. The first is by importing a CSV or Excel file. Click on Sample Excel. Here this sample Excel shows how a number should be added, like with country code, name for testing, etc. And now come back to WhatsApp and toggle on WA Filter extension again. Here click on Upload Excel file. Choose the Excel file from your storage. Choose the correct column and row, like rows from 2 to 8 or 2 to 9. Now there is another method of also manually typing the numbers. Enter each number with the country code and separate them with commas. Then click Extract Numbers to load them into the white filter inbox. Then click Start Filter. The tool will generate and download a report showing WhatsApp active and inactive numbers, just like this shown here. Step 3. Number generation for leads purpose. There's also a unique Generate Numbers feature. Click on Generate Numbers, input your country code. You can select from a wide range of countries like Iraq, US, UK, and more. I'm choosing India, 91, and a base number like the first 8 or 9 digits, say 910834952. Then choose the range, say from 1 to 8 or 9. The tool will generate those numbers and check their WhatsApp status instantly. After you click Start Filter, you'll get a report with valid and invalid numbers, just like this. Video downloader. Start filtering with WA Filter today and never waste time on inactive numbers.